What's up, guys? So got an update. I found me a truck bed, dirty as fuck, and it's white though. It's got some stuff like this, whatever the hell this shit is, it's gonna go. Got a little bit of damage right here that I can pop out, a little bit of rust right here, a hole. I figure I'm just gonna do some body filler, do another bed liner like I did. This side don't really have no damage. It's just really dirty. These are pushed in. I've got to pull them out. This side right here is pushed in. But honestly, I think it already looks better just having a bed there. But we're going to take it to the car wash and clean it up a little bit. That's what it should look like almost. Well, it doesn't look bad right here, but it's gonna need a little more work than what I expected. Really, it's just gonna have to be painted. The color difference and everything, it's just a little worse than I thought, but it's the first step to getting the truck back to where it was. I've got to go through and just cut all this shit out, all this dirty ass bed liner. You know, fix the body damages on it. But it's really not that bad, it really isn't. And I think in the next few months it'll be back to where it was. But I mean, at a distance, truck looks normal again. Once I get the lights and everything on. So I'm not too worried about it, but like I said, it's gonna need some work. Get this bullshit barbed wire off of there. These bullshit ass fender flares. Might keep the, no, I'm just gonna get that bullshit off too. But I'll post updates as I get it fixed. You know what y'all